You may think you're pretty old if you've been alive for 30 or 40 years, but you're really just getting started. You see, there's something on this planet that's been around for over 400 million years. And if that doesn't seem like a long time, try putting it in perspective. For example, the oldest tree on Earth is only about 5,000 years old. Yeah, sharks have been around for 400 million years, longer than trees have. In fact, sharks were swimming around in the oceans, while the first trees were sprouting on land. They've seen it all: the birth of dinosaurs, their rise and fall, the ice ages, the shift of entire continents, and through it all, they've barely changed. Take a look at this fossil of an ancient shark. Doesn't it look kind of familiar? That's because not much has changed over the past 400 million years. Sharks today look pretty much the same as they did back then. They have the same cartilage skeleton, multiple rows of teeth, the same sleek body shape. Evolution hasn't messed with them because there was no need to. Sharks are perfectly designed for life in the water. They're not just super old, they're also their skin is covered with tiny tooth-like scales called dermal denticles. These help reduce drag so sharks can swim incredibly fast. Their senses are also razor sharp. They can detect the electrical fields generated by living things nearby. That means they can sense your heartbeat from miles away without even seeing you. But despite their age and abilities, sharks aren't invincible. Over the past 20 years, more than 100 million sharks have been killed by humans. That's 10,000 times the number of great whites swimming in the ocean today. And it's not just great whites. More than 90% of some shark species have disappeared in just a few decades due to overfishing, bycatch, and finning. So yeah, maybe they seem scary, but the truth is, we're the scary ones. We're the ones who have disrupted the balance of nature. In many ocean ecosystems, sharks are key to keeping everything in check. They control populations of fish and other animals and help keep the ocean healthy and balanced. They're not monsters, they're survivors. And they've been keeping our planet safe since long before humans ever existed. So the next time you hear someone say sharks are scary, tell them to take a deep breath and remember, we're the ones who should be afraid. Sharks have been swimming in the oceans for over 400 million years, longer than trees have existed. Now that's a long time. And during that time, they've barely changed. It's almost like evolution was trying to send us a message. Don't mess with perfection.